you were normally doing this, where's the kit? You would run the drill in, run the tap in, run the insert in with the threading tool, and then in the insert, break off the little tank with the punch out. So I'll run mine in, and obviously I've already tried to show you one, and trying to turn it back, snap the thing. So because I've got the thread, I've just chased it with the tap. That was perfectly fine. So now I've got to wind the thread in. Focus. So that's the tool. So nice and straight. That's now winding in. So we want to get that, I believe, underneath, flush under the thread, under the surface. I could have gone up a size, but as every bolt is a new stainless, I'd rather not. So that's under the surface. So we should be able to use the other tool. Can you get it out of the packet? So is that slotted? No, it's just punched. Let me use both hands. So I found actually using the screw-in tool, just turning it back slightly, the thread gripped and the little stub snapped off. So that is now right through. So I'll start winding the bolt in. So these all got to come off and be powder coated anyway. What's in for paint, but at least now that's winding in. The problem was when I chased it with normal 26 TPI tap, it bit up on the spring and pushed it out. So then what was left of the spring, once I pulled it out, was no good, because the standard 26 TPI bolt, oh, let's go nice and tight. Oh well, I'm pleased with that. Oh, light sources, rubbish. Right, let's get a bit further out from the Norton and to talk about what else has been caught up.